So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to call someone on WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your WhatsApp account. Now you should have to tap on those person account whom you want to call. So I'm tapping here like this. Then tap on call option. Even you can tap on video call or audio call, which is available at the top right corner of your screen. So tap according to your choice. So I'm tapping on voice call here like this.